Fusion Solar Projects. Solar made easy. There are two tax implications for businesses investing in solar. The first is the VAT. Businesses that are registered VAT vendors can claim the input VAT on legitimate business expenses. Solar installations, being capital expenditure, are no different. The second tax implication is the wear and tear allowance. Capital expenditure for business purposes qualifies for varying wear and tear claims for income tax purposes. The wear and tear allowed per year depends on the type of asset and may vary from 1 year to 50 years.
In terms of Section 12B, a business can claim 100% deduction of the cost of installation of PV solar energy plants in the first year that the plant is brought into use. That is on condition that the output of the plant is less than 1 megawatt. Any costs incurred in subsequent years may qualify for deductions over a 3-year period at a rate of 50, 30, 20. Let's look at the example of a 125 kilowatt grid tie system with a full array of PV panels, professionally installed, with a project value inclusive of VAT of 1 million rand.
With 1 million rand spent on a solar installation, 130,430 rand can be claimed as input VAT in the next VAT return period. The remaining 869,570 rand can be claimed for income tax in the year that the solar installation is commissioned. The 27% company tax, which would have been due on profit of 869,570 rand, equates to 234,780 rand. The total net cost after VAT and Section 12B claim is 634,780 rand, or 63.5% of the total project costs. Whether user selects the rental option, there are no special capital allowances for the user under Section 12B, since the user does not own the plant. Instead, the ongoing charges for the use of the plant, whether structured as an electricity usage fee or a rental charge, should generally be deductible as operating expenses under the general deduction formula in Section 11 of the Income Tax Act, subject to the usual requirements. For example, incurred in the production of income, not of a capital nature. We have the experience and expertise to size, design, and build solar systems that can substantially impact the bottom line of any business through significant electricity cost savings. With satisfied clients all over the country and hundreds of successfully completed projects, Fusion Solar Projects has established and proven itself in the market. Fusion Solar Projects. Contact us today for friendly professional advice.